Are you tired of settling for mediocre shots and blurry moments that don't capture the essence of your memories? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving deep into the top 5 Canon cameras for 2025, exploring the latest features, performance upgrades, and why these cameras are changing the game for photographers of all levels. From entry-level models to pro-grade gear, Canon continues to push the boundaries of innovation. You can also find the links to the best prices for each product in the description below. Please note that the products are not ranked in any specific order, so make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Number 5. Canon EOS RP2. The Canon EOS RP2 is designed as an entry-level full-frame mirrorless camera, perfect for beginners looking to explore photography without breaking the bank. It features a 26.2 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor paired with the Digic X processor, delivering impressive image quality with accurate colors and fine details. The camera supports 4K video recording at 30 frames per second and full HD recording at up to 60 FPS, making it versatile for hybrid shooters who want to experiment with both photography and videography. Its dual-pixel CMOS AF system ensures fast and reliable autofocus performance, even in challenging lighting conditions, with eye and face detection capabilities that enhance portrait shooting. The 2.36 million dot electronic viewfinder and a fully articulating LCD touchscreen make composing shots intuitive, whether you're shooting stills or videos. Additionally, the EOS RP2 includes built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for seamless file sharing and remote control via the Canon Camera Connect app. It also features a single SD card slot supporting UHS 2 speeds, ensuring faster data transfers and smoother performance. The camera's in-body image stabilization offers up to 5 stops of shake correction, which is helpful for handheld photography and video work. Priced at an affordable $999 for the body only, the Canon EOS RP2 is an excellent choice for hobbyists and enthusiasts stepping into the world of full-frame cameras. Number 4. Canon EOS R6 Mark II. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II is a high-performance full-frame mirrorless camera tailored for enthusiasts and professionals who demand speed and reliability. It features a 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor, paired with the Digic X processor, providing sharp images with vibrant colors and excellent dynamic range. The camera offers up to 40 frames per second continuous shooting with the electronic shutter, making it perfect for wildlife and sports photography. Its dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system delivers accurate and fast autofocus with 100% frame coverage and 1053 AF zones, making it easy to track fast-moving subjects. The camera also excels in video capabilities, offering 6K ProRes RAW recording externally and 4K 60 FPS internally, with oversampling for higher quality footage. Videographers will appreciate the advanced focus breathing correction and the ability to shoot 1080p at up to 120 FPS for slow-motion videos. With 8 stops of in-body image stabilization, the EOS R6 Mark II ensures steady shots even in low-light conditions or when using non-stabilized lenses. It includes dual card slots, supporting both UHS 2 SD cards, providing a flexible and secure workflow. The 0.5-inch OLED EVF with 3.69 million dots and a vari-angle touchscreen LCD enhance the shooting experience. Priced at $2,499 for the body only, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II is a versatile tool for photographers and filmmakers alike. Number 3. Canon EOS R10. The Canon EOS R10 is a crop sensor mirrorless camera aimed at photography enthusiasts and vloggers who need a compact yet powerful device. It features a 24.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and Digic X processor, delivering excellent image quality with minimal noise even at higher ISO levels. The camera offers impressive speed with up to 15 frames per second using the mechanical shutter and 23 FPS with the electronic shutter, making it suitable for action photography. The dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system ensures precise and fast autofocus performance, with intelligent subject tracking for people, animals, and vehicles. Videographers will find the EOS R10 capable of shooting 4K video at 60 FPS, cropped, and 4K 30 FPS oversampled from 6K, providing crisp and detailed footage. The camera also supports full HD recording at up to 120 FPS for smooth, slow-motion videos. Its compact and lightweight design, weighing just 429 grams, makes it an excellent choice for travel and everyday photography. The built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enable easy file transfers and remote control via a smartphone. Priced at $979 for the body only, the Canon EOS R10 is a budget-friendly option for those who want advanced features in a portable package. Number 2. Canon EOS R1. The Canon EOS R1 is the flagship mirrorless camera built for professionals demanding the highest level of performance, reliability, and durability. Featuring a cutting-edge 45-megapixel stacked CMOS sensor, it offers unparalleled image quality and incredibly fast readout speeds to minimize rolling shutter effects. The Digic X processor powers the camera's impressive burst shooting capabilities, achieving up to 30 frames per second with the electronic shutter and full autofocus tracking. The dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system provides precise focusing with 100% frame coverage, enabling the camera to lock onto subjects with ease, even in low-light conditions. Videographers will be delighted with 8K RAW video recording at 60 FPS and 4K at up to 120 FPS, providing exceptional video quality and flexibility. The camera's robust magnesium alloy body is fully weather-sealed, ensuring reliability in harsh environments. With 9 stops of in-body image stabilization, it excels in handheld shooting scenarios. The 9.44 million dot OLED EVF and a fully articulating touchscreen LCD enhance the user experience. Dual CFX Press card slots provide blazing fast storage and seamless workflows. Priced at $6,499 for the body only, the Canon EOS R1 is a professional's dream camera. Number 1. Canon EOS R5 Mark II. The Canon EOS R5 Mark II is a powerhouse full-frame mirrorless camera that pushes the boundaries of image and video quality. Boasting a 45-megapixel BSI stacked CMOS sensor, it delivers exceptional image quality with enhanced dynamic range and low-light performance. The Digic X processor, coupled with an additional Digic accelerator, ensures ultra-fast processing speeds and improved noise reduction. The camera offers high-speed continuous shooting at up to 12 FPS with the mechanical shutter and 30 FPS with the electronic shutter, making it perfect for action photography. Videographers will appreciate the ability to shoot 8K RAW at 60 FPS, with no overheating issues, thanks to its advanced heat management system. The dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system with 100% frame coverage ensures fast and precise focus, with intelligent tracking for humans, animals, and vehicles. The 5-axis in-body image stabilization offers up to 8.5 stops of shake correction, ensuring steady shots even in challenging conditions. With dual card slots supporting CFX Press and SD cards, the EOS R5 Mark II provides ample storage options for high-resolution files. Its 5.76 million dot OLED EVF and vari-angle touchscreen LCD offer a superior shooting experience. Priced at $4,299 for the body only, the Canon EOS R5 Mark II is an excellent choice for professionals seeking top-tier performance in a compact package.